To say that I'm overwhelmed with joy and happiness would be the absolute understatement of the whole entire year of 2018. Guys, I have great news for you. I have been voted, me, the Kentucky Yankee, the one and only Kentucky Yankee, has been voted fastest growing YouTuber channel for 2019. 2 weeks ago, the mailman came to our mailbox, just cruised up like they always do. Stuff some mail in the mailbox. I go out and I get it.
I come running back to the house as fast as I can, you know.
To tell my little woman about it, my dear sweet wife, we both opened the envelope together. We knew it was something significant, if you will, so to speak. And when we flapped it open and I read it about me being the fastest growing channel for 2019 on YouTube, my wife and I, we embraced each other. We just embraced each other and just trembled in happiness. You know, tears of joy just poured out of our faces, and we held each other, I'm sure, I don't know, 7 minutes and like 40 seconds. Because I've received such a great honor, I thought I would share with you my YouTube career, starting from the very beginning, guys, and just basically what I'm saying is, how did I get started on YouTube? Why did I get started? How do I film myself? What kind of camera gear do I use? I want to share that with all of you today, right now, on this new year. Let's start with my first camera. It's this right here, guys, and it is a Samsung. You can see it's got a little crack there. Still works, though, but the computer somehow or another doesn't mingle anymore. This is a Galaxy S4 Mini, and it was a great camera to start my YouTube channel, guys. I probably did my first 75 videos or so on this camera right here, and one day it's going to be very valuable. When I hit my 1 million subscriber mark, hopefully by the end of this year, I'm going to put this little camera on eBay, and I will auction it off at a very reasonable price, I'm sure. And this right here is my second camera, and as you can see, it has a crack and the screen's in bad shape. Still works, it's just getting in a little bit of rough shape. So if we back up a little bit, there you go. That is the first tripod that I used. And what I would do is I would tape it on there like that with a little bit of painter's tape, see? To hold my camera on there in place, because this is made for a laser level, it's not made for a camera. And I would film like that. You can also, see, mount your camera on a step ladder, you know? I did that for a long time. Both things work good. If you don't have a tripod, there's other ways of getting the job done. Okay, so I'm sure you can see the difference in quality now. I just took this old camera off the tripod. That's what I'm filming with right now, to show you my newest camera, which is an S7 Galaxy, Samsung Galaxy S7. It's sweet. My videos, the quality, let me turn you around here. The quality is so much better with this S7. I paid $150 for it 2 weeks ago. It's awesome. And I was just thrilled to death to be able to afford it and bring up the quality of my videos a little bit, you know, for you guys. Why do I wear these stupid glasses all the time? First reason, all of my friends made fun of me my first few videos because I'm looking way off to the side, you know. And the reason for that is because here's the lens on your little camera, and instead of looking at that, you're always wanting to look in the middle of it. So that's number one reason I wear them. Number two, I have terrible raccoon eyes, you know, terrible black bags under my eyes from being overworked, I think, mostly. Third reason, I'm a movie star. I still have one more item to show you guys. A new camera my son's purchased for me for Christmas. I can't even believe it. I was so shocked and surprised, and you guys are going to think it's awesome too. But before I show you that camera, I wanted to explain a little bit about how I got started on YouTube. And it's really simple. CW and I used to like to drink beer, we still do, and watch YouTube videos after work, you know. Well, one day we were watching it, and Fearless Front's channel came up. They were romping through mud puddles, you know, in their lawnmowers and stuff, and it was a big mess. Everybody's all muddy, and it's a big mess. There's guys crawling in the mud and this and that. And we've never seen anything like this before. Never. In our lives have we seen anything like this. At that moment, when I saw that guy crawling through the mud with his long hair, this drunk guy, flapping his ponytail back, my heart was touched. My heart was touched in such a way. I thought, yes, we need to do this. I looked over at CW looked over at me, and we both said, yes, yes, we need to do this. We need to start a YouTube channel. And that's how it all started, guys. So here it is, guys. I got it all laid out for you. The showstopper. What this is here is an action camera. Check it out. And it is awesome. I'm still trying to get used to using it. But look, check this out. This right here, you can turn it on and off like with your wrist. You know, it's a remote. All these attachments came with it. It's awesome. And I don't know if you noticed or not, but it's not a cell phone either. It's a real camera. This one's a real camera. So really excited to use it. And I've been wanting an action cam for a long time. That's why I started working on the mud buggy again there, the mud mower side by side. We'll make some cool films with this action camera and that pile right there. For now, I think what I'm going to do with this action camera is strap it on and run outside and just see how the quality is on it, see what you guys think of it. I've selected this little clip, and because I want you guys to be able to hear the audio, you know, we're testing it together. I've never tried this thing before. We'll be able to hear the audio on this action camera, and I got this clip. Well, I'll just take my belt off, I think, and see, I'll take my belt off here, I think, strap it around like this. Let's see how you, wait a minute, and I think this will work good. So it's nice and tight, and then I'll clip this on here. Check it out, it just turned on, and I think that'll work. And so my pants don't fall off, I'm going to use this zip tie, and that's I guess they call this a life hack. You might want to note, you just put two loops together there, zip tie, and zip her up, tighten it up, and you put this piece right here back towards the back so it don't stick out, so people don't think you're a, idiot. So all right, we're ready to go, guys. Let's go try this thing out. All right, I'm running down the hill right now. I'm running like fast. Really fast. Whew, I just jumped over a stick. Alright, I'm going to turn around. I have no clue what the view is like in this camera right here, or audio. I've placed the camera up there. I think you can see me. I'm going to take off running up this hill like a bat out of Hades. Let's see what it all looks like, how the shake and stuff works on this camera. Let's check it out. Here we go. I'm going fast, so fast. Oh, whoa. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! That's it. That's it, guys. So let me catch my breath. Let me catch my breath real quick. Hold on a second. Did you get that? That was killer. All right. I'm walking through the woods, and see, I want to see if you guys could see off of this cliff here. And I'm gonna stand as close to the edge as I can, but it's slippery, so gotta be careful not to fall to my death. So let's just see what we got going out here. Oh yeah, man, let me get closer. Here's an awesome view. I'm gonna set the camera. Oh shucks, I just fell, and everything fell. And I almost died. I just almost died right there. I can't believe I almost died. All right, so I'm on the edge out here, man. The edge of the cliff. See there? So check that out. See that stick? Let's see if I can zoom in on it. That stick right there. If it's not rotten, I'm gonna go out there with this GoPro action cam and see if we can get a good view from over there. Oh man, this is too creepy. I can't. This log is really rotten. Oh, But woohoo! Woohoo! Let's see if I can get over there. Holy crap. Holy friggin'. Oh man, this is too creepy. I can't get out over here. It's just too scary for me. I can't do it. I was gonna go out on that limb over there. Can you see my little finger? But I ain't doing it, I'm too scared. I'm a coward. Alright, let's go back. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh! Holy crap! Now that is action. Live action. As the Turtle Man would say. Oh, I almost fell to my doom. Good grief. Whew. And again, let's go back. I'm scared. All right, well that turned out to be a little bit more traumatic than I wanted it to be. I almost fell down the cliff, so I'm a little shook up, but I'm still alive. Thanks for watching and making me the fastest growing YouTube star for the year 2019. I couldn't appreciate it more, guys. If you hadn't subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. That's how we're gonna get to 1 million subscribers by the end of the year. I haven't edited what's on this yet. I'm getting ready to do it right now so we can both see together how this little camera did. We'll see you next time, guys.